Welcome to the session number 9 from the playlist of electromagnetic induction. The topic is self-induction, and based on this topic I have written here 4 important points which will help us to understand this topic in brief. So the first point is the definition of self-induction, and it says that self-induction is a phenomena in which an induced EMF is set up in a coil or a circuit when the current passing through it changes, and this induced EMF opposes the growth or the decay of the current in the circuit. The induced EMF is also called back EMF, and the self-inductance of a coil is given by L is equal to N into phi divided by I, where N is the number of turns in the coil, phi is the magnetic flux which is linked with the coil, and I is the current which is flowing through it. Now, the induced EMF in the circuit is given by minus N d phi upon dt, and since here so you can say that N phi is equal to Li. N phi is equal to Li. So here N is the number of turns in the coil, L is the self-inductance of the coil, I is the current which is flowing through it. So N d phi upon dt, if I differentiate this equation with respect to t, then N d phi upon dt will be equal to L di upon dt. So N d phi upon dt is equal to L di upon dt. Or simply we can also say that N d phi upon dt, this will be equal to L di upon dt. So this is an important relation with respect to the induced EMF in the coil of the circuit. Now, in building a steady current, work is done by the external EMF source against the self-inductance of the coil. Now, this work done is stored in the form of magnetic potential energy of the coil. Now, this work done is given by 1 by 2 into L into I square, and since this work done is stored in the form of magnetic potential energy, therefore work done will be equal to U. U is what? It is the magnetic potential energy which is stored in the coil, and so W will be equal to U, which will be equal to 1 by 2 into L into I square. And there are two important formulas which I have written in the last point. That is, for a solenoid, the self-inductance is given by mu naught into N square into A divided by L. Mu naught is the permeability of the coil, N is the number of turns, and A is the area of cross section, L is the length of the solenoid. And for a circular coil, the self-inductance is equal to 1 by 2 multiplied by mu naught. Mu naught is the permeability of the coil, multiplied by pi into N square into R. So, thank you very much for joining this session. In the next session, I will be coming up with a simple question from the topic of self-induction. That is, in the session number 10, I will be discussing one question which will be based on the topic of self-induction. So till then, have a nice day. Bye.